In this video, we'll show you what to do if your mobile data is not working on the Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now go to connections. In here, you need to go to mobile networks. Now here first go to network mode. Now make sure it's set to 5G preferred. However, if you are in a remote place where 5G is not available, you can try switching to LTE or 3G only. Now check if the mobile data is working. If that doesn't work, what you need to do is check the data roaming option. If you are outside your state or city, you may need to enable this option for the mobile data to work. Next, go to access point names. Now here tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and then select reset to default, and finally hit reset to confirm. Now go back to the previous menu, go to network operators and make sure this is set to select automatically. Now your phone will register to your carrier's network automatically. Now if this doesn't work, however, what you need to do is go to this data usage menu. Now here make sure that the data saver mode is turned off. So this toggle needs to be turned off. Now go back to the previous menu, go to billing cycle and data warnings. Now make sure both these toggles are turned off. If not, your phone's mobile data will stop working once it surpasses the set limit. So make sure to turn these off. However, if this doesn't work either, go to the more connection settings and make sure your phone is not connected to any VPN service. If you see connected here, simply tap on it and then select disconnect. Now check if the mobile data is working. Next, what you need to do is enable this flight mode toggle. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it off. So this will refresh your phone's network connection and hopefully fix any problems. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to this general management menu. Now tap on reset. Now go to reset mobile network settings and then select reset settings to confirm. Once you do this, your issue should be resolved. However, if you are still facing the same issue with mobile data, you may need to contact your carrier and resolve any account specific issues with your phone number. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.